Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa, and today we'll be doing our product assembly of our CASA-NUBOOK. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts H, 2 parts F, as well as 2 parts G. Let's assemble now. On part F, just be mindful of this hole on the one side when assembling for later steps. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing our 2 previous assemblies, as well as our boards A, B, C, D, as well as E, and 20 parts number 60. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be installing our standoff feet of 2 parts 29. Let's go ahead and assemble. Next, we'll be installing our back brace, part I, and using 4 of our 56 bolts. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, this is an optional step. This is the anti-tipping bracket. Please refer to our manual on how to install this. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA-NUBOOK. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and products. Thank you.